Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you with another video. And we will be doing a tutorial today showing you how to set up an account on TradingView, as well as adjust your settings to make it more eye friendly. Because in the beginning, it doesn't have this dark effect to it. It's a lot brighter and it's strenuous on the eyes if you're the type that's up, late night trading. So I'm gonna show you how to change everything over and start you up your own account on TradingView. Now, mind you, it's free. It's free to start up an account. You can pay to get more perks, but in my opinion, as of right now, if you're just starting in cryptocurrency or trading period with different assets or stocks, the free one is pretty good for you to start using and getting familiar with it. So this is how my setup is right here. I've got Fibonacci retracement, lines of support, resistance. Looking at DGD, Digix Dow on a 15-minute chart. These are the assets that I'm paying attention to right now. And we got BNB token, GVT, PIVX, POA, Ethereum, Ontology, and Bitcoin. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the beginning. Let's see. Logged in. So when you first go to tradingview.com, I suppose this should be the beginning screen. What you're going to want to do is you want to go with sign in, sign up, and they're going to ask you for an email, username, password. You're going to have to hit I'm not a robot. So let me go ahead and put one together real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, family, so we back. It took about 2 minutes. You could have signed in using Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, and they'll just send a confirmation email. Click that, make you a picture, make you a name, and you're in there. So when you first come on, this right here should be the screen that you're gonna see. And right now I'm using, just so you know, I'm using a Chromebook right now. I was doing a consultation yesterday with the individual and they had a Mac, and for some reason the setup was a little bit different. So I got to look into that today and figure out why. But typically this is what you're going to see. You got the different markets up here, different assets, BTC, USD, Euro versus USD, the Dow, the NASDAQ, S&P 500. Right here, top authors. Over here is, and be careful when you hit the up and down keys on your board. What it's gonna do is change the assets over here, or the markets. It's gonna, anytime, because typically you would hit up and down and it's gonna scroll your page up and down. But be careful because it definitely changed everything that's over here. So real quick, I'm not gonna go through all of this. What we're gonna do is just go straight to the chart setup. So what you're going to want to do is just hit chart right here. It says create one. So welcome to TradingView Charts. The wizard will show you basic features of your chart. If you still have questions, use our wiki knowledge base or write to us in suggestions and feedback. TradingView offers an advanced charting and analysis platform with hundreds of drawings and indicators. You can compare stocks, predict where the price will go, and publish ideas. So we're going to skip that. Now, if you so choose to go through and use that, you can do that. But I'm just going to show you a nice, quick, simple chart setup. And what we're going to focus on is cryptocurrency. So we're going to get rid of all the assets over here by simply coming over here, clicking on the asset, and it's going to give you a red box, which will allow you to delete. See, we have ETH, BCH, Euro, LTC. And what we're going to do is add BTC. That's how we're going to start our chart off with. Now, when you type this in, it's going to give you options right here of what to look at anytime you're doing a search. What we're going to do is scroll over. You see we have all, stock, futures, forex, CFDs, cryptocurrency. You're going to click on cryptocurrency. That way, anytime you look for something over here, if that's what you're dealing with, it's only going to show you cryptocurrencies. So the first one I'm going to click is BTC versus USD on Coinbase. Click it right there. And now what you're going to see is ads steady popping up. You just want to click those out. New ads, hide. Click that out. Okay, so what we're looking at right now is BTC versus USD on a day chart. This is the market or the wallet that we're looking at, which is Coinbase. And depending on what market you're looking at, or exchange, be it Polynex, Bitfinex, Bittrex, Binance, it's always going to be the asset, the time frame, and then the market. Up here, you're going to have the asset versus the pair. You're going to have the time frame, and you're going to have certain options. So this is where you're going to pick if you want to use candlesticks or other options, bars, which we can show you. Compare, add symbols, indicators, study templates, create alerts. You are able to create alerts on this platform, and ideas for the symbol published by people you will follow will appear as different colored dots on the chart. Red for short ideas, yellow for neutral, and green for long. The dot appears on the day when they were published. Now, what you want to do, as I said, all this right here is bright white right now, and it's kind of strenuous on my eyes as we speak. So what I'm going to do first, you're going to come over here on the side, on the price chart, on the side of the market, Coinbase, and you see they have a little eye that says show and hide, and then you have format. You're going to want to hit format. Now I see it gives you a couple of options: style, scales, background, time zone / sessions, trading, events, and alert. First thing you want to do is come down here and hit dark for the theme. And already that makes it a lot better on the eyes. Way better, way better. Now, my personal preference, I like to make the background as dark as possible and the actual candlesticks as bright as possible. So I'm going to go into candles. Make sure this is slide all the way to the left, and we're going to hit bright green for the candles, bright green for the borders. Going to make the wick white. Same thing with and these are the bullish candles. Same thing with the bearish or the selling candles. We're going to make that red. I'm going to make that red. I'm going to make the wick white. Now we're going to come over here to background. With background, I'm going to make mine black. These vertical grid lines I'm going to get rid of, so I'm going to make them black. These horizontal grid lines I'm going to make black. The scale text, I'm going to make mine a goldish color. The scale lines, I'm going to make white. Watermark, black. And my crosshair, I am going to make yellow. Next thing I'm going to do is come over to time zone. I'm going to switch mine, of course, to Chicago. That way it adds up with the time frame that I am on. I'm going to hit OK. Like I said, these things are constantly going to pop up until you pay for an upgrade. And there you have it. Real simple chart setup on TradingView, real simple. That was less than 10 minutes it took us to do that. And already this looks a whole lot better on the eyes. And what you can do over here, you can add different assets. So we're going to add ETH versus USD on Coinbase. Let's just do Coinbase. In fact, LTC versus USD on Coinbase. And Bitcoin Cash versus USD on Coinbase. Somehow this popped up. Throw that down. Back down there. So this is BCH. Hold I don't know why it didn't pop up at the bottom. BCH. There we go. So we have BTC, ETH, LTC, and BCH. And this was just a real quick, simple setup. I'm going to be doing another update video actually showing you how to read the chart, what the candlesticks are, going more in depth as far as support and resistance, technical analysis, Fibonacci retracements. So just stay tuned, family. Until the next video, this is Amir, the Chicago Crypto Hustler, Bitcoin Block Bully. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I am out of here.